All right, we're gonna take this green flat off. Ready?
Ready.
So I've had this idea for a while now, and this is the fun of making to me, is having an idea and just going for it. So it's Saturday morning, woke up, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna do this today. So I went out to the internet and got a SVG file of a hatchet. I'm gonna need 8 pieces. So the 2 outside pieces, I wanna put my logo on. I think that would look cool. So 6 pieces will be exactly the same. They'll all be sandwiched together. And then the 2 outside pieces, I'll have to manipulate them and to get my logo to show up the way I want to. So this is the material I'm going to use. This is just some stock 1/8 inch plywood. So got this off Amazon. I'll link it down in the description. All right, now that I got all these individual pieces cut, the next step is to glue all these together and clamp them together, and then we can start shaping it and molding them. All right, so I just got this thing out of the clamps. Pretty sweet. It's kind of heavy, honestly. It's heavier than you think it would be, but I'm super pumped about this. So I'm going to take it over to the router table and use a flush trim bit to trim all these edges flush with each other. And then I'm going to take a round over bit and round over this handle, make sure it's nice and smooth. Okay, we got everything rough sanded. We got everything rounded over. The plywood held together better than I thought it was going to. So I'm encouraged about the blade tip and how it's going to handle. I had to use that mini bandsaw to get into some of these cracks. And I've just got some hand sanding now where the round over bit couldn't get in there. All right, so the next thing to do is to get some sort of blade on this thing. That's crazy. I mean, that's pretty sharp. I might switch off to some 400 grit paper and just try to refine it a little bit, but that I'm very happy with that. We can't let the pineapple go to waste. Snowy pineapple. It's actually really good. All right, we're gonna take this green flat off. Ready?
Ready.
So it's not strong enough to cut wood, but I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. I think we can save it. Little chip. Little chip. Well, since we did that, ready?
Ready.
It will cut.
You look constipated.
I know.